Hello everyone, my name is Luis Fernando Mesa Torres, and today I'm going to talk about a topic related to biotechnology, how COVID-19 changed vaccine development. Okay. As everybody knows, in late 2019, a new virus called SARS-CoV-2 appeared in Wuhan, China. This virus caused the disease COVID-19, which spread really quickly across the world. In a few months, it became a global pandemic, affecting millions of people and overwhelming health system. Because of this rapid spread and high number of deaths, scientific and government really worked together to create a vaccine. Researchers, pharmaceutical companies, and organizations such as the World Health Organization collaborate to speed up research, testing, and production. Major companies like Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Moderna, and Johnson and Johnson play a key role in developing vaccines. The COVID-19 vaccines were developed and approached for emergence used by the end of 2020. This was extremely fast compared to traditional vaccines, which usually takes 10 to 15 years to develop a new one. This case is very important because it shows how modern biotechnology, specialized red biotechnology, can respond quickly into global health emergencies. The success of these vaccines has changed how future vaccines would develop, making the process faster, more efficient, and more innovative. So, red biotechnology is the part of biotechnology that focus on health and medicine. It helps scientists develop vaccines, medicines, and treatments to prevent and cure diseases. Uh, this one is very important because it proves public health and saved lives. For example, the COVID-19 vaccines are a clear example of the red biotechnology since they use modern biological technology to protect people from this virus. Okay, and are classified under red biotechnology because they're focused on health and medical applications. Their main goal is to prevent diseases and protect public health by using biological systems and advanced technology. So let's continue with tools and technologies involved. To develop COVID-19 vaccines quickly, scientists use advanced technologies. One of the most important was mRNA technology, which teach our cells to fight the virus. Then we have another method was viral vector technology, which use harmless viruses to deliver instructions to our immune system. Uh, Clinical trials were done faster than usual, and vaccines were produced and distributed globally. So these tools allow vaccines to be developed in a record time. Well, here I have an example from how mRNA vaccines work. So we have the genetic sequence of the virus spike is used to make a synthetic mRNA sequence. This one to take an spike. Then the mRNA sequence is packed into a nanoparticle, the vaccine, and this one is transferred to the immune cells. Follow the mRNA code to produce spike proteins, which are on the surface of the cell. This one is response for the immune. So let's continue with the clinical outcomes and public health impact. So the COVID-19 vaccines can have a strong impact on public health. They significantly reduce several cases, hospitalizations, and death, especially among high people in high-risk groups. So this helped to prevent hospitals from becoming overwhelmed, and these vaccines also slow the spread of the virus and support the safe return to daily activities, such as school, works, and travels. Overall, vaccines play a key role in the controlling of pandemic worldwide. So, who benefits from these applications? The COVID-19 vaccines benefit many groups. The general population now is protected from severe diseases. Elderly people and high-risk groups receive a strong protection, which reduce deaths. So, healthcare workers benefit from safer work environments, and governments and health systems benefit because hospitals face less pressure. And now we, like everything, have every ethical and regulatory changes. So, despite the success of COVID-19 vaccines, there were important ethical and regulatory challenges. Vaccines had to be improved very quickly while meeting safety standards. There was also unequal access between rich and poor countries. In addition, misinformation caused vaccine hesitancy. So, finally, strongly and transporting vaccines, especially those needing very cold temperatures, was a major change. So, in conclusion, COVID-19 changed vaccine development by making it faster and more innovative. New technologies such as mRNA vaccines will help fight future diseases. So the pandemic also improved global collaborations and preparedness, allowing the world to respond more quickly to a further health emergency. So this is the topic about how COVID-19 vaccines changed the way to develop new vaccines. And here I have my results. So now I want to give my opinion about red biotechnology because I'm really interested in this field. So for me, red biotechnology is extremely important because it directly improves human health and quality of life. It helps develop medicines, vaccines, and advanced treatment that prevent and cure many diseases. Thanks to this field, people can receive faster diagnostics and more efficient treatments with fewer side effects. So, red biotechnology also plays a key role in fighting global health problems such as pandemics or chronic illness. It's believed that these impacts will continue growing in the future, so we're having to save more life faster and improve medical care worldwide. For this reason, I think red biotechnology is essential for progress of modern medicine.